What's going on, you guys? It's your girl, Ahriel Nari. Y'all, I'm gonna do an apple cider vinegar rinse on my locks today. So this will be my first time doing an apple cider vinegar rinse on my locks in the almost 5 years I've had them. Don't judge me. Apple cider vinegar can get rid of the buildup that's in your locks that's caused from dirt, debris, your locking gel, oils, and just BBs in general. Besides cleaning your locks, apple cider vinegar rinses have a bunch of other benefits. It reduces frizz and smooths the hair along the hair shaft, so your locks will have less flyaways and they look more cylindrical. Apple cider vinegar can also add shine to your locks so they look less dull. And because it has antifungal and antimicrobial properties, apple cider vinegar can also help with scalp issues like dandruff. So what do you need to do an apple cider vinegar rinse? I think it goes without saying that you're gonna need some apple cider vinegar. It should be noted that you wanna get the raw, organic, unpasteurized, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Those good bacteria and good vitamins and nutrients that we're interested in can get wiped out during the filtering and pasteurization process. So it's important that you get raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Next ingredient you need, baking soda. You need baking soda. Then besides that, all you need is water in a sink or like a basin for you to hold your hair in, and that's it. All right, ain't nothing left to it but to do it. First, we're going to fill up the sink about 3/4 of the way with warm water. Next step is you're gonna take the apple cider vinegar and you're gonna pour in 3/4 of a cup. All right, next we have baking soda. You're just gonna add 1/4 a cup of that. So it's been 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take my hair out. Ew, oh my God, look at that. Ugh, you remember what it looked like before. As you can see, yuck. So the final step of an apple cider vinegar rinse is to just wash your hair, rinse it out in the shower, and then you're done. One important note I do want to say is that you don't want to do these rinses too much just because they do strip your hair of all the oils. You want to do it maybe 2 to 3 times a year, 4 times a year maximum. With that being said, after you do an apple cider vinegar rinse, it is imperative that you moisturize your hair afterwards. Drop a comment down below if you want to see me do a video on the different types of oils and stuff I use to moisturize my hair. But yeah, that's it. Apple cider vinegar rinse. 10 out of 10 experience. I definitely recommend. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm saying and you want to hear more from me. My next video is gonna be my 5-year lock update. Oh my gosh, y'all, I have things to share with you. All right, you have a day that's as awesome as you are, and if you're watching this, you truly do have a dope spirit. All right, I'll catch you guys the next time. Peace.